Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. It is dubbed one of the most picturesque parishes in Jamaica, an oasis, a true tropical paradise. Welcome to the beautiful parish of Portland. This stately residence combines the best of life in Jamaica, an escape from the city's hustle and bustle, yet easy access to the exclusive luxury amenities including pristine beaches enjoyed by the world's elite travelers. This well-maintained six-bedroom, six-bathroom home sits in one of Portland's most enviable neighborhoods, known as Dolphin Bay. The illustrious Trident Castle lies just a stone throw away, but the property itself is truly the main event. It sits on just under half an acre of well-fruited and well-manicured lot. Where else can you find a 6,000 square feet home with two self-contained income-earning apartments, a spacious designated workshop, a full laundry room, and a cozy speakeasy equipped with a bar station, with a front and back porch, home office, living room, and sitting room? This home has limitless spaces to relax and entertain while also making some time to be productive. Don't miss your chance to fall deeper in love with this perfect combination of classical charm and modern practicality. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is US 585,000, Jamaican 92.2 million, Canadian 837.3 thousand, Euro 537.3 thousand, or 454.6 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.